Welcome back to JoeBob's Garage. Hey, this is going to be a good one. Yeah, but you know, I say that every time. This one is going to be getting the bike more back together. I don't think I'm going to be able to get the whole thing done yet. I believe I've got a lot more to do than I think I do. So hey, y'all stick around and check this one out. Alright, I'm sticking these on here just to see how this looks. God damn, gotta put a blinker on it. Alright, they're small enough, that's not bad. I just have to live with it. Oh no. Oh no.
Are you stupid or something?
I'm going to replace that right there. That new bolt. Oh well, I'll cut it off. Looks like I lost some footage off one of my cards. I never had that happen with the GoPros. They're normally pretty rock steady. Well, this is what it did. I got the front motor mount in. I got the upper motor mount in. And I got my forward foot controls mounted back up after they were powder coated. All right. Not sure if I got the blinkers in there. My struts in the back, everything's looking good. Coming along. All right, guys, I'm gonna give this a break right here. I wish I could get out here more, but you know, life gets in the way. I got a bunch of other crap going, full-time job. So, yeah. And another complaint I got about myself is, look at this. Look at this crap everywhere. It's like chaos. Oh yeah, it's like the bike that Ace Hardware built. Oh, eBay and Ace Hardware. All right, I have really, I'm sorry about spinning the camera around like that, make everybody dizzy, but I got to get more organized, and I did finished up here what I'm going to do today, and I ran down to Walmart. Yeah, Walmart, and I went and got me a, look at this, a whiteboard. Yeah, I'm getting organized now. Look at all this crap I got left to do. Oh yeah, oh yeah. But it's coming along. All that stuff is going to go by pretty quick, hopefully. But next video, I should be moving right along and getting this almost done. All right. Starting to look like a motorcycle again. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, yeah. And remember, if you like it, just a little bit, hit that like button, subscribe, share it with somebody you know that likes this kind of crap. You know, it would help me a lot. I've already started getting commercials, probably noticed on my videos, and I don't get any of that money or anything because I don't have enough subscribers yet. So if you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it. Help me out. All right, guys, y'all take it easy.